In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in Facebook Marketplace. To get started, open your preferred web browser on your computer. This can be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Safari, or any other browser you normally use. Once your browser is open, go to the Facebook website by typing www.facebook.com into the address bar and pressing enter. Make sure you're on the official Facebook site before moving forward, since that's where you'll access Marketplace safely and directly. When the Facebook homepage loads, you'll see the login area. Here, enter your Facebook login information. In the first field, type in the email address or phone number associated with your Facebook account. In the second field, enter your password carefully. If you're on a personal device, you may already have some of this information saved, but if not, just type it in manually and double check for any typing mistakes before continuing. This is especially helpful if your login isn't going through on the first try. After entering your details, click the login button. Facebook may take a moment to load your account, depending on your internet speed and whether any extra verification is required. Once you're successfully signed in, you'll be taken to your Facebook homepage or main feed. From there, look over to the left-hand menu. In that menu, you should see an option labeled Marketplace. Click on Marketplace to open it. This is the section of Facebook where you can browse items for sale, check local listings, and manage your Marketplace activity if you already use it. If you don't immediately see Marketplace in the left-hand menu, it may be lower in the list, so scroll a little and look carefully. In some layouts, Facebook may also place it in a menu section that can be expanded. Once you click it, the Marketplace page should load and you'll be ready to use it. That's all it takes to log in and access Facebook Marketplace. The main part of the process is simply signing into your Facebook account first. Since Marketplace is built directly into Facebook rather than being a separate login, if you keep your login details secure and use the official website, the process should be quick and straightforward every time, and that's how to log in Facebook Marketplace.